In this video, we're going to show you how to integrate Livestorm with your website so you can start hosting live webinars, virtual events, and online meetings directly from your site. Livestorm is a powerful, user-friendly platform that allows you to easily engage with your audience in real time. And the best part? You can get started with Livestorm for free using the first link in the description below, along with exclusive bonuses. Let's get straight into it. First things first, Livestorm is designed to help you host online events and webinars with ease. Integrating it with your website is a game changer, making it seamless for your visitors to join without any hassle. Whether you're using WordPress, Wix, or a custom-built site, the process is simple. Start by logging into your Livestorm account and heading to the integration section. Here, you'll find the integration options for your website. You'll want to look for the embed code option. This is what you'll use to add your Livestorm event to your site. Next, create a new event or webinar in Livestorm, and once you're in the event setup page, look for the share or embed button. This is where you can get the embed code. You'll simply copy this code to your clipboard. Now, head over to your website's backend. If you're using WordPress, go to the page where you want to add the Livestorm event and open the editor. You can paste the embed code directly into a custom HTML block. If you're using a different platform, the process is similar. For Wix or Squarespace, you'll find an HTML or embed widget in the editor where you can paste the code. Once you've embedded the code, make sure to save the page. Now your visitors will be able to join your Livestorm event directly from your site. It's that simple. You've just integrated Livestorm with your website and set up a live event with no complicated steps involved. But here's the thing, Livestorm isn't just about embedding events on your site. You can also capture registrations directly through your website by linking to your Livestorm registration page. Livestorm automatically sends out reminders, confirmation emails, and follow-ups to your attendees, helping you run smoother events with less effort. If you're running a business or a digital marketing campaign, Livestorm's ability to integrate with CRMs and marketing tools is a huge plus. You can sync your leads and data between Livestorm and your other platforms, ensuring a streamlined experience for both you and your attendees. Before we wrap up, don't forget, we've secured an exclusive and extended free trial for Livestorm, so you can get started with this incredible software without spending a dime. Use the link in the description to sign up today. To recap, integrating Livestorm with your website is a fast and simple process that opens up a world of possibilities for live events, webinars, and real-time engagement. And with the exclusive bonuses we've partnered with Livestorm to offer, there's no reason not to give it a try today. Don't wait. Start making the most of your digital events now.